We'll guide you through how to download and install vanilla tweaks in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Vanilla tweaks are super cool and there's so many different options, so let's go and get started. First of all, you need to go and quit off Minecraft. Here we are on my desktop, so what you need to do is go and open up a web browser just like so. Now we can go and search for vanilla tweaks. So we'll go and type that in like this, add Minecraft just to make sure you get to the right place, and you want to head to vanillatweaks.net. So on the page here, you can then see we've got resource packs, data packs, and crafting tweaks. We're mainly focusing on the first two. So resource packs will modify Minecraft's textures, and data packs go and add or modify gameplay features. First of all, let's start with resource packs. We'll click there. So now you can scroll through here and go and see the different options we've got. At the top, we're in aesthetic, but you can go and scroll down and go through all these different sections. There's a lot to go and look at. And then what you can do is you can go and start selecting them. So for example, I want fancier fences. I'll go for warm glow as well. And as I said, you can go through all these different sections as well. A big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. I'll put a link down below so you can check them out. And they've got so many awesome features and benefits like one-click install mod packs, so you can easily go and install them, DDoS protection, keeping your server safe, 24/7 servers and 24/7 live chat assistance so you can get help anytime you need it, automated backups and much more as well. So when you're ready, you can then go over to the right and you can go and click on download. You'll go and get taken to an ad wall. Just be patient here. If you see a download button, it's for the ad. You need to wait for the skip button in the top right. And now it's available. Go and click on it and it will go and download. Next, we want to go and take a look at data packs. So we can click on vanilla tweaks at the top. Then we can go and click on data packs. So these go and add functionalities. So what we can do is start going through here and seeing the different options. Once again, there are different sections. So first of all, I'm going to go and select name colors. And by the way, you can go and hover over it and it will go and tell you what it's going to go and do for a bit more information. We can then go into convenience and go and see the different options here as well. For example, glass always drops is pretty useful, so you can go and break it and collect it without silk touch. After you've selected the ones you want, you can then go over to the right and go and click on download. You'll then be taken to an add or offer wall again, as you can see. Just like before, if you see a download button, it's for the ad. You need to click on the skip button in the top right and it will download. So we've now gone and downloaded them. And what you want to do is come out of your web browser. Go and open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. What you can then do is we can go and first of all unzip where it says unzip me, select it and click on extract all, click on extract and it'll go and open up. So here are the data packs here. Now we can go and open up Minecraft. When Minecraft opens up, what you can do is you can go and click on options and then you can click on resource packs and click on open pack folder. So then what we can do is we can go and add in the pack. So what you can do is go and open up your file explorer, come to your downloads, and you can then drag and drop in the pack we downloaded like so. When you do that, it will then go and appear here. As you can see, vanilla tweaks, hover over it and click on the arrow and you've added it, and you can then press done. Then to go and add in the data packs, you need to do that for each world you want them in. So in this case, I'll click on single player. You can go and create a new world by clicking create new world. Select more and you can click on data packs. You can also do it to existing worlds as well. I'll do it to a new one in this case. So I'll click on open pack folder and then we need to go and drag and drop them in. So let me come back here. You need to come into the folder we unzipped. You can then select the data packs and drag and drop them in like that. Here they are. And we can then go and add them in using the arrows. Then press done. And then we can click on create new world. To show you it's working, when we go and place oak fence, you can go and see the new texture there. As you can see, I can then go and break one and it gets dropped. I also added in this color data pack as well. If I go and type in trigger color like so, we can go and see the different names. So I want to go and use aqua, for example. So now when I type, my name is in aqua.